Yo, it's so Brother 420, and we here at my dog Earl Bluntworths garden right here.
What up?
Basically the valley, the worst place you can grow in California. How hot does it get out here?
Fucking 105.
105 degrees, and he's still doing what he gotta do out here in the desert. So we go reach down here, squat down, and kind of tell you guys what he's got going, walk you around his garden.
Right here we got. Damn, I'm fucking tripping. You trip it up. Fucking 74 skunk.
74 skunk. First one is Firenewbreed. I was gifted these from John of all trades. Everything in our circle is all fam, so John of all trades. Those are from you, and then a lot of these stuff are from you, so you're already gonna know the deal. As you guys can see, there's a lot of fucking bugs out here. But this shit, bro. Look at how tight the nodes are. This shit is crazy. I got a bag, I got snips, I got markers. I'm taking cuts of everything, so just so you guys know, Earls Bluntworths selections right now we're looking at. I'm excited about the first one, but let's go. Like I said, 74 skunk right here. You got them knitted up. What else you got right there?
Yeah, we got Strawberry 13, King Louie.
Strawberry 13, King Louie, and that's Tinos. Tinos genetic, Strawberry 13th, the same thing. A lot of the selections he's picking up right here are fucking nodes tight as fuck. He's already collected all the females from the males. A little rowdy. We got a family hibachi going on right there. Shit's crazy tonight. But let's fucking go. What else we got out here, my dog?
This whole row right here, Gorilla Glue cherry pie, across the cherry pie, Gorilla Glue cherry, across the cherry pie.
All right, so these are a lot of my F1s my dog running right now. These are the Gorilla Glue cherry pies. Masonics cherry pie across to a nice ass Gorilla Glue I found. I ran a bunch of Gorilla Glue when I was in Vegas to make these seeds. And bro's fucking finding the best out of the best. Nobody else has really got the Gorilla Glue cherry pies besides Mexican Billy Mike. He's in New Mexico. So, you know, if you're in the desert area, hot sun, these can do it. As you can see, they're fucking going crazy. Whole row of Gorilla Glue cherry pies. 2 rows?
2 rows.
This one right here is my favorite. I already went through and did a little smell on a lot of these. I'm trying to actually go in depth a little bit. Ain't nothing wrong with a longer video. You know what I'm saying? We got trike showing a little bit. This one's mad sugary. You said this one next to it is more fire?
This one I like.
This is your favorite. This is Earl's cut right here. This is what he says that we should fuck with.
Number 10.
All right, Gorilla Glue cherry pie number 10. So y'all remember, the Gorilla Glue. God damn, you right. That shit smells fire.
That smells crazy.
The Gorilla Glue number 10. Let's fucking go. Gorilla Glue cherry pie number 10. We got those 2 still in there. We ain't fucking look at this. Y'all can't do it like you doing it, bro. We in Afghanistan right now. Where we at? What we got over here?
Whole another section of Gorilla Glue cherry pie.
Oh my God, this fool just popped the whole pack. Most people don't even pop the whole pack. It's all Gorilla Glue cherry pies.
We got some that's on the sativa side.
Yeah. You got some sativa leaves. Look at the stalk on this one. God damn, bro. God damn, bro. You're gonna have to get down and explain your girls a little bit. This shit's crazy. Gorilla Glue cherry pies. Soul Brother Seeds F1s. For Short Genetics. These are all found and grown by Earls Bluntworths. Follow him on IG. He don't got a YouTube yet. I don't think he really even cares for it, but when he do,
we're working on it.
Earls Bluntworths. He said he working on it. Gorilla Glue cherry pie on another row. But he said, you know, he likes to show everything. So what happened? Explain it before we get to it.
All right, so this was a little vegetable bed that I, converted. It, it's a little sad, but we're gonna still run it through.
Okay, well, what do you think happened in the beds to make them not fully take off first? start to grow?
Actually, I think I had some type of nutrient deficiency inside this bed. But, you know.
Didn't you have like some type of bark or something in there?
Oh, yeah, there was some, I didn't know what I was doing, but when I did come to find out, me just putting this in here, it was like some biochar.
Biochar. A lot of you growers know what biochar is. Usually introduce that into the soil and let it, cook in for a minute, and it breaks it down. They put the biochar
it was
in there
sucking
at
up
the
all the
same time.
nutrients. Oh God, it was sucking up all the nutrients over that way.
Shit happens. Learning. Doing way more than most people would ever attempt. So, what we got over here? These are in the ground. Once again, those beds over there were in the ground. The rows of the Gorilla Glue cherry pies, and we had divorce cake, and we had Tinos, strawberry 13th cross with King Louis. So what we got right here?
It's the divorce cake.
Divorce cake.
Pineapple skunk cross.
Pineapple skunk cake. Cross. I gotta go back and look to see what breeder that is. But John of all the trades gifted these to me. Divorce cake, pineapple skunk cross. If that is you, hit me up. I'll tag you on the side. But I believe this is a female breeder actually. So, you know what I'm saying? She did her thing. And my dog's out here doing his thing. What up, little bro?
I'm just looking for you.
You was looking for me?
Yeah, I'm just looking for your house outside.
Oh, you found me now? Found me now,
Yeah. I got this.
Did you help grow all these plants?
Right there, Dad.
Look, man, did you help grow all these plants?
Yeah. I helped my dad all these plants.
See?
Yeah, in the morning.
Yeah, his dad doesn't really know what he's doing. This is, he grew everything.
He's growing.
That's good. Oh man, he showed this whole row. I hate to get too invested in it, but this whole row. Damn, I want to take a cut of this one. I'm gonna take a cut. Fuck it. Nah, I'm gonna take a cut before I leave. Fuck it. I want to go over there and eat. Divorce cake again.
Yeah, I gotta put this in the Easter. Yeah.
Another one back here and another one. When I was back here earlier checking, bro, it was like mad fucking bugs attacking me. Shit was crazy. Oh fuck, see?
Oh, they out here, bro.
That's fucking crazy. What? That's another divorce cake?
Yeah.
Let me see if it smells. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna have to fucking do
This is the last one I put in the ground.
Fuck. Is it bugs on it because it smells fire or what? Let me see. It does stink. I ain't gonna lie. That's wild. Nodes on this. Tight. You know what I'm saying? That silly string, bro. And then, hold on, there's one. I really told bro to keep. I really wanted him to keep this, but Chia Pet by Right Hemisphere. Re-veg, crazy mutant. I fucking love this plant. Look at this. Look at this crazy ass mutant every fucking time. And it smells so fucking like weird, fruity. Like I don't know.
I get banana loaf off of it.
Banana loaf.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking this one home. And got one more back there. Last Tinos. He said this is another King Louis. King Louis strawberry 13. Looking nice. One plant, it's probably like a 15 gallon or something. But King Louis. How long did you veg this, you think? 2 months. Looking right. We'll get it in the spot, you know what I'm saying? Get it in nice conditions. Hopefully get it in some people's hands. Spread the word. My dog did the work. Make sure everybody knows who it is. Earl Bluntworths. Tap it down. Let's go get some hibachi food.